Welcome to Emmy Recipes and Vlogs. Enjoy the video. Hello viewers, in this video we will be sharing you healthy tips to keep you happy and have a peaceful life. The health tip I will be sharing is mudras. Mudra is a Sanskrit word which means a symbolic hand gesture, and it has the power to activate the flow of energy within the body. Now, I will be sharing information about the Panchabhuta Mudras, and they are Gnana Mudra, Surya Mudra, Vayu Mudra, Varuna Mudra, and Prithvi Mudra. Now, I will be explaining in detail about these mudras. Gnana Mudra symbolics soul element in the nature. Gnana Mudra is one of the most popular mudra, and it is also called as the mudra of knowledge. The word Gnan in Sanskrit refers to knowledge or wisdom. Gnana Mudra is also called as Chin Mudra. Benefits of Gnana Mudra: it increases concentration, memory, releases stress and headache. It is very beneficial for children. Gently join the tip of the thumb and index finger, while the other three fingers are stretched out freely. You can perform this mudra at any time during the day. Surya Mudra symbolizes fire element in the nature. Surya Mudra is also called weight loss mudra. By performing this mudra, we can easily redirect sun's energy into our body. Benefits of Surya Mudra: maintain the metabolism of the body to promote weight loss. As Surya Mudra increases body temperature, it cures cold weather related problems like dry skin, sore throat, painful joints, and flu. Surya Mudra is good for eyes. Practicing this mudra increases the heat in our body, and hence drink sufficient water before and after performing this mudra. Gently close the ring finger and let the thumb touch the top of the closed ring finger. Stretch all the other fingers as shown in the video. The Surya Mudra can be performed in the morning or evening. Do not take food for at least 2 hours after performing this mudra. Vayu Mudra symbolizes air element in the nature. Vayu Mudra helps to regulate the element of air inside the body. This mudra is also called air mudra. Benefits of Vayu Mudra: it overcomes gastric problems, builds immunity, relieves stress and anxiety. Gently close the index finger and let the thumb touch the top of the closed index finger. Stretch all the other fingers as shown in the video. This mudra can be performed anytime and anywhere. For better results, perform this mudra in the morning times. Varuna Mudra symbolizes water element in the nature. Varuna Mudra is also known as Jalavardhaka Mudra. Varuna Mudra helps to balance the water element in our body. Water is a very important ingredient in our body. Varuna Mudra takes care of the same. Benefits of this mudra: helps in increasing water level in the body, improves skin glow and skin health, increases fluid circulation in the body, overcomes dehydration. Join the tips of the little finger and the thumb. Extend all the other fingers as shown in the video. Varuna Mudra should be practiced 3 to 5 times a day. You can do it anytime when you wish. If you suffer from cold or cough, Stay away from this mudra as it can cause discomfort. Prithvi Mudra symbolizes earth element in the nature. Prithvi Mudra is also known as Prithvi Vardaka Mudra. Performing this mudra helps to stimulate the earth element in our body. Benefits of this mudra: reduces the hair loss, makes the skin glow, reduces diabetes, helps to heal ulcer. Join together the tips of the ring finger and the thumb. Stretch all the other fingers as shown in the video. To gain maximum benefits, perform this mudra during early morning and evening. To perform these mudras, sit in any comfortable posture with relaxed body and mind. You can perform these mudras 2 to 3 times in a day. To get maximum results, perform these mudras minimum 10 minutes every time. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you liked it. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for more videos. Thank you. See you soon.